These OPAIT 15x52 binoculars deliver noticeably stronger reach than typical 10 times models, making distant wildlife and players feel much closer without needing a tripod in most situations. The large 52mm objective lenses, paired with back 4 prisms and fully multi-coated glass, provide bright, contrasty views that hold up well at dawn, dusk, and under starry skies. Generous 20mm eyepieces and a wide field of view make it easy to follow birds in flight or fast sports action without eye strain over long sessions. The housing feels purpose-built for outdoor use, with twist-up eye cups for glasses wearers, a grippy textured body, and a smooth central focus wheel that snaps subjects into clarity quickly. Despite the higher magnification, the binoculars remain reasonably light for carrying on hikes or travel days, and they balance well in the hands during extended viewing. Included accessories like protective covers, a padded neck strap, and a sturdy case add real day-to-day convenience, keeping the optics clean and ready for everything from birding to stargazing.